Hi guys, Seth at Hornady. New products for 2023. I have with me here the 7mm PRC, the newest introduction to our Precision Rifle Cartridge line. This ammo features our 175 grain ELDX bullet, our 180 grain ELD match bullet, and also our brand new 160 grain CX bullet in the Outfitter line of ammunition. It is the ultimate modern 7mm magnum cartridge for long range hunting and shooting. Manageable recoil, good barrel life, amazing trajectory, just an awesome performer for the long range game.